Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you why won't your device charge. I have discovered a problem that when you have your device turned on, your device can't charge. So try turning off your speaker and then try to charge it. If it didn't help you, check if your cable and power adapter is good. If it's good and it does charge the other device and it's that fast, it should charge your speaker too. If it's damaged, try changing that. Then, if it didn't help you too, you have to do a hard reset of your device, of course, when it's not dead. Apart from that, you can just continue device support because your device may be damaged. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.